Welcome to the Raynor Minute with Hawaii's garage door professionals. Raynor Hawaii has been serving Hawaii's homeowners for over 30 years.
Aloha, I'm Ron, a technician at Raynor Hawaii. Let's check out your garage door.
Did you know that the most common problem with garage doors are broken springs, stripped belts and gears, or frayed cables? The springs on the door provide a counterbalance for the full weight of the door. When a spring breaks, the door will not be able to open until it's repaired. If your spring is broken, the operator may raise the door up an inch or two, then stop. An older operator may even strip the belt, requiring additional repair. To examine the door for a broken spring, you may stand on the inside with the door in the closed position and look above the top of the door in the center. There is commonly one or two springs there. If a spring is broken, there will be a 2-inch gap at some location in one of the two springs. If they are intact, then the springs are not broken. To avoid being trapped with a broken spring, consider replacing them today. Raynor Hawaii offers a silver package that upgrades your springs to last 20 years. This is warranted on the material so you can ensure that you will not have any future problems. The symptoms of a stripped belt may include the door starting, then stopping, then starting and stopping again, or the motor is running but the door refuses to move. The same symptoms occur when the interior gear that connects the motor to the belt or chain are stripped. Raynor stocks the most common belts and gears for immediate replacement. When any motor problems occur, you may operate your door manually by pulling the emergency release shown here and lift it by hand. Remember, do not put your fingers in any gaps between the sections or your fingers will be crushed.
Thank you, Ron. Remember, if your garage door is over 5 years old with standard springs, it may be at risk of breaking any time. Call us at 808-676-3667 and schedule an appointment for a change that will last over 20 years. We look forward to keeping your family safe.